Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your own Haunted Mansion holiday inspired wreath. So you want to have all of your supplies. You've got foam board, which you can buy at your local Walmart or any other retailer, a glue gun, berries, a wreath obviously. So here's what we're going to do. First step, you're going to get your wreath and you're going to kind of just bend it towards the center a little bit, just to make it a little bit more narrow. Next, you're going to take your fangs, and these fangs look kind of like this, and you'll place them along the rim, the back rim of your wreath. Your next goal is to make your skull bow. Now obviously you don't have to use a real skull. I just made mine out of the foam board that I used. Now what I did here for the eyes and the nostril or the nasal cavities, whatever you want to call them, I outlined here where the eyes and the nostrils were, and I cut a line in between each of these, and I took the foam mostly out. Using black acrylic paint, I'm going to paint inside of each of the openings. When you're done with your skull, just sit it down and let it dry for a few minutes. Doesn't need to be too long. One thing that I would recommend for your teeth and your skull on your wreath is to just draw a black line around each of the edges, just to make it look a little bit smoother, because the cut foam board can make it look a little bit rough. So next thing we've got is our bow. So what you want to do is just separate it out a little bit. So when you're done opening up your bow and adjusting it to however you'd like it, you want to make sure that the skull looks good right there in the center. And my goodness gracious, it does. Take that simple glue gun again, and you're going to glue right at the center of your skull. And it should look something like this. Oh, very nice. So just put it down for a second, let everything dry, let it be cool by itself in the corner. The next thing we're going to be doing is making our eyes using Sculpey oven baked clay. So what you want to do, go ahead and knead it until it's soft and smooth, and then you want to create the shape of an eye by pushing in a little bit. You don't want to use too much clay, because you want to make sure that it glues to the surface of the wreath. Bake these little babies in the oven at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes and 15 minutes no more. Next thing up are the berries. Now this is easy, you can place them anywhere you want. Next, now that our bow is dry, we're going to go ahead and add that to our wreath as well. Once your clay is cooled and you've molded and sanded it to the exact shape that you want, you can go ahead and paint them, and they turn out like this. I decided to use yellow as my base paint and then accent it with a little brown just to give it a sort of a shadow effect. And then of course, I painted the black pupil right in the middle. The next thing we've got to do is attach these eyes to the wreath. I've actually never done this before, so this is going to be a first time for all of us here. Find the placement of the eye where you'd like. I think it would look good right about here. The other would look good right about here. Cool? So, time to hot glue gun. And there you have it, your Haunted Mansion holiday inspired wreath. Now obviously you can make it any type of way you'd like, using whatever colors you want, using whatever berries you want, bow you want. Just make it your own, have fun with it. It hangs up really nicely, and yeah, it looks really good, and it gets the neighbors talking. Ah, I dropped my glue gun!